Traditional ball bearings have been in production since the 1800s, making modern technologies potentially incompatible with 21st century challenges. Rapid advancements in recent technologies constantly require new and more reliable mechanisms to keep pace. Standard bearings are unreliable in extreme conditions. This industry demands a change. Introducing ceramic bearings, brought to you by Ortech, the most trusted name in ceramic manufacturing. Our bearings are built for higher speed performance, longer life, higher temperature usage, resistant to acid, alkali, and salt, and can run without oil or grease, making our ceramic bearings perfect for extreme and unique environments. Whether you need high temperature stability, hard and wear-resistant surfaces, improved stiffness to weight radiations, anti-corrosive barriers, or low thermal expansion rates, we can deliver. We offer significant performance and cost advantages to meet your needs. Ortech bearings are manufactured to the highest quality for standard and non-standard applications. Our technical department can modify any non-standard bearings to your specific requirements, regardless of quantity. Send us your design today and get your quote in up to 24 hours.